My name is Andreas Backman. Today is the 1st of October 2019. I'm going to show you how to do a basic acid-based titration right here. So we have 10 milliliters of our analyte or HCl in here, 0.1 molar. And I'm going to be adding, starting off by adding a little bit of NaOH to the burette.
So if you think you reach the end, I would just rinse that. You don't want to rinse it.
That's a reasonable amount to go.
I would do it.
Then I'm going to quickly add about 2-3 drops of the indicator. We're using phenolphthalein today. Okay, that's good. Let's put this away because we're sharing it. And always we need to do the initial readings of the burette. And we have approximately, if you record from this way, approximately 6.5, 6, 7, 8, let's say 8.5. 6.85 as a starting point. I have my glasses, so it's a bit difficult, but it will work. Okay, so now when we know the starting volume, we can actually start the titration. So in a rough run, we got about got results about around 13.5 milliliters for the actual titration. So I'm going to rush down to about 12, which is at this point would be around maths. Down to 14. That's the maths work, right? Yes, that's right. So I'm just gonna start by just quickly adding it down to that point. Go. Calculation error. So I'm actually going down to approximately 18 before I actually start the accurate part of the titration. Letting it go. Don't need to.
It's pretty subtle. Yeah. Once you did everything.
Go away.
I think you did everything. Yeah. It was just right. Yeah, it's kind of all pretty good.
Okay, now we're down at 18. We can start stirring it a little bit. All I'm also going to be doing is rinsing the tip of the burette just by with a little bit of water, just to make sure we get all of the titrants into the solution. So at this point, where we go again down, we're expecting to use about 1.5 more milliliters. I'm just going to be slowly spinning, slowly adding the titrants while stirring at the same time. And then intermittently, I will also be adding some water just to get all of the titrants into the solution. Also, a little bit of a trick I know is that if you spin the lever like this, you get a very controlled amount of titrants with each, I don't know what to call it, addition. So it's still moving very slowly, so I'm gonna keep up a little bit of a quicker pace. But as soon as we start getting a little bit more coloration with each drop, I'll slow it down.
I'm ready. Yeah. How do you Yeah, this one meant to be 10. So I think it's just.
Okay, notice how it's getting very much pink whenever I add a drop. Means I'm going to start adding water like every second, every single drop.
Is that what I get? Wait, what'd you get for that? Might be. Might be.
Just adding a little bit, just to make sure we don't get too much extra water in there. But it doesn't really matter. Okay, now we're very close. We're very close.
I watched it last week.
I don't think it's like specific to the video. Actually.
I have to redo it.
Why?
I have to redo it. I got stuck and I went past the end point.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, at this point, this is how it's supposed to look when we're at the end point of the titration.
Looks pretty pink to me.
It does look pretty pink. And not to measure just because we are in the middle of here, it's a little bit difficult to read, but lifting up a little bit. So if you zoom in right here, so we have a final reading of about,
You're above 0.
if you look at the bottom of the meniscus, it's about 20, pretty much exactly 20.2 milliliters. So I'll put that down as 20.20. This line. 0.20. And
Centimeters cubed. And that's what initially.
you can now stop the recording.
What if I don't want to?